This charming cabin in the woods offers a serene retreat with two bedrooms, two baths, and outbuildings. The property boasts 47 plus wooded acres with a full-time spring and numerous walking trails, providing a peaceful escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. The cabin's secluded location, accessible by the winding driveway, offers complete privacy and tranquility. Surrounded by tall pines and big oak trees, the natural beauty of the property is breathtaking. Whether you are looking for a peaceful retreat, a hunting getaway, or place to connect with nature, this property has it all. Please check out video description to contact with the listing agent. Thank you for watching.